Rick Rule, Rule Investment Media, and the Rule Classroom, as well as Battlebank, co-founder and operator of Battlebank. In the near term, good news. In the long term, bad news. Let me explain. Governments taking more stake means that there's increasing social acceptance about mining on a global basis, which is a good thing. 5 or 6 years ago in the US, I was vilified for being in mining. Now the same morons want to subsidize me. I felt cleaner when I was vilified than I do being subsidized. On the other hand, government participation lowers my cost of capital. In the near term, that's a good thing. Increasing the government nexus in mining is a catastrophe. So understand that if you like that narrative, trade it, don't invest in it. As a resource investor, I'm long both gold and copper. I need to say, as a junior gold mining speculator, I sold 25% of my positions 5 or 6 weeks ago, not anticipating the decline, but merely because I could sell off 25% of my position, which is to say 25% of my upside, and eliminate my downside, pay for all of the investments I'd made in the period 2020 to 2025. So it depends on who you are. From the point of view of physical gold, I'm not a seller. I don't own physical gold as an investment. I own it as insurance. I own it to protect my purchasing power. The consequence of that is that, unlike the stocks, the sell decision on my bullion will likely be made by my heirs, successors, and assigns. Oil and gas isn't as roundly hated as I wish it was. It's just hated, it's not vilified. But it's a wonderful business. The oil and gas business is an extraordinary business. And the fact that you can buy the best of the best oil companies in the world at a 30 or 40% discount to net present value, where you think the net present value doubles or triples in 5 years, is a wonderful opportunity. The idea that you can buy the best of the best, which I consider to be Exxon, at a 40% discount and enjoy a 3.7% dividend while you wait, to me is an exquisite opportunity. Sulfide nickel deposits, I'd love to be involved in. They are not going to reward you for a couple of years, but if you could buy them at distressed prices and wait, that's great. I recently flew over the lateritic nickel operations in Sulawesi, and I'm a fairly hardened guy. The environmental destruction I saw in southern Sulawesi tells me that the level of political tolerance for that form of mining in that part of the world is waning quickly. When that happens and the cash costs of production in the lateritic nickels goes up, those sulfide nickels get skated back on site economically very quickly. And right now they're cheap.